Welcome to your garden in the sky, an $8 million penthouse hidden in plain sight, a perfect paradox in the heart of downtown Nashville. Offering over 6,000 square feet of luxury, including a penthouse and guest house with both residential and commercial possibilities, this property is discreetly nestled just 3 blocks from Broadway in the quaint and quiet historic district. Here, the textured history of an original 1920s historic building is perfectly married with modern technology. This is your secret sanctuary. This is 227 2nd Avenue North. We are on the newly renovated 2nd Avenue North, a quiet one-way street lined with wide brick sidewalks and beautiful trees. Though downtown Nashville rises just 3 blocks away, here time stands still amidst protected 1920s historic buildings. Just steps away are parks, greenways, coffee shops, and boutiques. Or continue your stroll to find all the lively entertainment Nashville has to offer. We'll explore this 2-story guest suite shortly, but first, through this discreetly hidden golden door, we'll discover a luxuriously secret penthouse. The private elevator opens dramatically into this textured foyer, featuring original 1920s brick and a mirrored ceiling. We continue into a warm and dramatic living space where soaring 14-foot ceilings meet 5 9-foot French door Juliette balconies, inviting you to dine al fresco in the sky as the breezes flow. This chef's dream kitchen features separate Sub-Zero refrigerator, freezer, and freezer drawers, a Sub-Zero 150-bottle wine refrigerator, dual Fisher & Paykel dishwasher drawers, a 60-inch Wolf cooktop, Wolf double oven, steam oven, and built-in Wolf coffee maker. The 11-foot translucent Cristallo quartzite island adds a touch of elegance, perfectly complementing the Art Deco 1920s surroundings. The 4.5-foot dual faucet galley sink provides ample prep space at the expansive bar with seating for 6. This historic estate seamlessly integrates modern technology with both RTI and Lutron systems, providing whole home automated lighting, sound, and window treatments, all controlled on your phone or iPad. A custom stainless steel wrapped fireplace, uniquely assembled with antique airplane rivets, rises to meet the ceilings. The natural fire warms the space that is simultaneously grand and inviting. This private path to the primary suite is lined with silver chinoiserie paper, leading to a stunning sanctuary. An Oli Studio cloud chandelier hovers effortlessly above the bed, while electronic shades and drapes glide over soundproof windows to protect your slumber. The fully custom closet lines the long wall, offering ample space to display your treasured wardrobe. In the bath, an air jet tub with a ceiling fill and rain shower is beautifully lined with original brick and encased in glass. This serene retreat defines luxurious comfort. The guest suites each have their own unique personality. One with walls lined in puffy white clouds, the other dipped in moody blue with a ceiling full of stars. Both feature original brick walls and marble-lined ensuite baths. The office is a private alcove designed to inspire creativity with an angel chandelier dangling from the silver ceiling and a perfectly placed Juliette balcony that brings a breath of fresh air. Custom iron handrails line the stairs with brass capping leading the way to a sunlit haven. This bright space offers the perfect contrast to the historic Art Deco design of the first floor. A wet bar stands ready, equipped with a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher drawer, Scotsman ice maker, and Sub-Zero refrigerator, making entertaining effortless. Lower the electronic blackout shades and the 10-foot recessed theater screen, and the Wolf projector transforms your space into a cinematic experience. Double Anderson accordion doors open to reveal the penthouse's secret garden. A 700 square foot Ipe deck offers private outdoor space, ample seating, and al fresco dining. Perhaps most intriguing about this city home are its commercial possibilities. Unique business zoning allows for commercial, business, or retail uses. The two-story street-level guest house can host personal guests, Airbnb guests, or be converted into a retail space, event space, or coffee shop. The private elevator also descends to a 2,400 square foot basement exclusively dedicated to the property. Transform it into an elusive speakeasy, additional retail space, personal gym, or let it simply provide limitless storage. A 2-bay, 4-car garage with a lift rounds out the comprehensive offering, adding residential convenience to this city estate. For exceptional versatility, this maintenance-free penthouse offers all the comforts of home, just steps from the vibrant city center and quietly nestled in its historic surroundings. Whether you seek a home, a commercial opportunity, or a combination of both, this unique property adapts to your every need and whim. Embrace a lifestyle that caters to all stages of your life and discover your secret sanctuary. Thank you for joining us. To experience this captivating property firsthand, contact us for an exclusive tour. Till next time.